Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another vlog. Today in this video, I will demonstrate that how we can enable feed tracking in the Salesforce. But before that, if you wanted to follow some Salesforce training videos, you can just subscribe our channel and search on the YouTube search bar as CRS Info Solutions to get more Salesforce videos. To enable feed tracking in the Salesforce, you need to go to the setup. So I will go to the setup straight. And we will search feed tracking in the quick find box on the left side of the setup. We will go to the feed tracking over here, the option on the left panel side. We will click that. But before that, let's first understand that what is feed tracking actually. So we will go back to the Salesforce org and we will go to the student object which we have made in our previous video. After opening any record, you can see a chatter option available over here, which is post, poll or question. You can just write comments, you can post something just like Instagram, Facebook, so that whenever the user opens over here, they can see the related data according to your record. So now we will go to learn that how we can enable this chatter option for the other objects. So for student object, this is enabled, but now we will going to enable it for the books object. So in setup on the quick find box, you will search feed tracking as I said earlier, and you will click feed tracking. And on the left side, you can see that various objects are available and it is showing tracked, which means that how many fields are tracked down, right? So if I scroll down, then you can see that field tracking is enabled for various objects. And how many fields are enabled for these objects, these are showing over here. Like for example, 2 fields are enabled in the case object, 0 fields are enabled in the change request object. So now we need to work on the book object. So we will quickly click the book object in the feed tracking settings. On the right side, you can see that fields in the box, and then you can see that enable feed tracking. We will just select this option. Now for tracking the field, which field do you want to track? You can just select those from here. So I am selecting author name, book price, and serial number. So I need to track only 3 fields. Other fields will not be tracked. Later on, you can also display activity for the related objects too. For example, if you want to display some related objects field, you can just select this checkbox, but I don't want that, so I am not selecting it. And then I will click save. Now we can see 3 fields are enabled over here. Then if I go back to the our page or custom object, which is book, and then if I'll open any record, then you can see chatter option is enabled in the book custom object, which means you can now post, poll or make any question under this section. For example, if you want to post something, you just can click on the share and update, and then you can write any update. For example, this is a test for feed tracking, and then you can click it shares. Here you can see that the post has been updated over here. You can also mention some particular person by adding the @ and the name of the person. For example, I will just write it CRS Info, and then if I'll so the person who is tagged over here will get a notification that you have posted something for the record 54637. So on individual record of particular object, you can share a chatter post by enabling field tracking. Now we enable 3 more fields on the book object. So let me check those fields. So we enable these fields like author name, serial number, book price. So whenever you change something in these fields, for example, if I'll change the author name, example Martin, and then if I click save, then on the right side you can see that author name field has been updated from a blank value to Martin. This is because we track this particular field over here. So if I'll modify another country over here and I'll write Canada, and if I'll click save, you can see on the right side that nothing has been changed or no updation is showing over here because we are not tracking field for this field. We have not enabled this option. So if you want to show any particular updates for particular fields in this chatter box, then you can enable the feed from the feed tracking. Otherwise, the updation won't be showing over here, right? So I hope you understand that how we can enable feed tracking in the Salesforce so that we can do some chatter post. Also, track updation of particular fields while updating the record. Similar way, you can use poll, you can create some question and make choices over here. You can ask questions. You can type question over here, you can add details, and you can just click on ask. So this way you can use post poll question options, and using @ you can just tag a particular users to inform them about something while posting these things on the chatter. I hope this video will help you that how we can enable field tracking in the Salesforce. If you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.